Hi, did you mean to tell me that my hair is stunning and gorgeous? I know, but let's make it better. A long time ago, I did hair videos. I don't do them anymore, but I was going to curl my hair today, which I also never really do anymore. And I thought I would show you how I will be doing it anyways. If you can tell, you can kind of tell this time around, but my hair, it looks really dark right now. It's getting wavy and kind of curly throughout. I slept on my hair wet last night, which is why it looks this good. The curling iron I'm gonna use, this is the same curling iron I've used for years. This is a T3. I believe this came with 3 wands. I'm just using the biggest one. I do not know the exact size. I also got these really cute butterfly clips from Amazon. This is not sponsored, I bought them. But how cute are these? If you guys want a hair tutorial with like these clips, let me know because these are so fun. It feels weird to do a hair tutorial. I haven't done one in so long. I stopped doing them just because I felt like I've done every hairstyle known to man. I did like over 100 hair videos. So if you have heat protector, use that. I'm all out right now. Be better than me. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? All right, now I feel like this hair is just kind of straight for the most part. So I'm just gonna wrap it around a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull on the end and just let it go, right? This piece has like a little wavy guy here. So I'm gonna curl with that guy. This one, I'm just gonna leave it. This one, I'm just gonna leave that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. See, so it has more of this, I should have worn a lighter shirt. It has more of a mix of texture with the curling iron and my actual hair. I kind of love that energy, the energy of my hair. I love that better. I don't know why, I just feel like it looks better. It just feels a little more natural to me. It doesn't look as polished. There's certain hairstyles that I feel like on me, I want it to look really polished and really sleek. But for like an everyday hairstyle, I don't need that. I'm down for something that looks a little more relaxed. See all these pieces here? They all have a little bit of a wave. I'm just gonna leave that. So the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The key is just counting to whatever number you want and as fast as you want, I guess. This piece I'm just gonna leave. It has a little funkiness down there, but I'm gonna leave it because I want to leave the most normal texture in my hair that I possibly can. This is gonna be really cute. Just wait, I have a new product that I've been using. Well, it's not a new product, I've had it for a while, but I never really used it until recently. You guys are gonna love it. I can't wait to share that with you. They need to have Amazon trucks that have like a bunch of basic essentials in at all times that drives around like an ice cream truck and you can just like go in and buy things. This also doesn't take me very long. I mean, so far we've been filming for like 8 minutes, but I feel like to curl all your hair, that is not long to almost be to the top of it. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna use a brush on my hair, but I will use my fingers to just kind of comb through to feel out where there's anything weird or off or that needs a little oomph. All of these pieces too, these all seem kind of fairly straight, so I'm just gonna do the same for all of these as well. And the same. I just did the same curls on this side and pull on the ends to make them not so curly, you know? So we have one more layer until I do like the very top part. Now you can see I have a wave there. I'll curl away with it because that's kind of what it's doing, or it's guiding. What about this one? Ooh, this one's going like this, so I'm gonna kind of sit in it and go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just kidding. I don't know why sometimes I count it fast and sometimes I don't. I don't know what's going on there. It's like as long as I reach to 5, I don't care how fast I do it. Okay, curl down here. There's a little wave at the top of this hair. Yeah, see, we're only at 13 minutes right now. I mean, the video for you will be shorter, but we're at 13 minutes for me. Ta-da! Now, with the top pieces, this is where I really just wanna, see, I have this little wave thing here. Great, so I'm gonna go off of this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be so cute. Now this side. I feel like you can kind of see the grow out of my dark hair. Should I go dark again or should I just leave it? I feel like I'm just gonna leave it for a while. I'm not gonna go blonde again though. I don't wanna do that. Like not even a little bit. Then here. So I have this right now. Right, it's super cute. But, where is it? Oh, hold on, it's in the bathroom. 1 second. All right, you guys, I have not been doing my hair without this now. This is by Ryann Co. This is their Relative Paradise. It's a fragrance spray for your hair. So what I do is I flip my hair upside down. I do one spray and flip it back over. It's strong. When you do 2 sprays, I gave myself a headache. It's very strong. So I just like this. Shake it up. Ready? It smells so good. Then when you flip it back, your hair gets all flipped too. I literally never curl my hair anymore, so this feels like so cute and pretty to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so easy. Super easy, just kind of curl off of your natural texture. If you have more wave or curl to your hair, this will be like extra beautiful on you. But I love it. And then with the fragrance spray, I feel like it just brings so much life to the hair, and it sits in your hair all day long. So you constantly smell good. Life hack. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.